WOLFCOM is proud to announce our new camera, the Halo. The Halo comes in two modes that you can select, pre-record mode and standby mode. Let me show you how it works. On pre-record mode, it's always buffering, and the buffering time is over 10 hours. Now right now it's buffering, which means that it's pre-recording in the background. Now, as you can see, the light is flashing here as an indicator that it's pre-recording, and also here too, this ring. And this is why we call it the Halo, because of this halo-like ring. Now, you can configure it so this light doesn't come on at all, and only this light. Just for this demonstration, we activated auto lights. Now, to begin recording, it's really simple. Just press the center button one time, the unit will vibrate, and now it is recording it out, and you know that it's recording because of this steady light. So now recording is activated, and it captures the pre-recorded video of up to 1 minute. Now to stop recording, it's simple. Press twice and it will stop recording and go back to pre-recording mode. The other one we have is the one that's on standby mode. So this is the same camera. All we did is configure it to be on standby mode. So basically it's not recording until you want it to. So to begin recording, press the center button. It'll vibrate and it will now begin recording. And you can see in this one we disabled the ring. So now if an officer needs to know if his camera is recording or not, all he has to look down, see that the light is steady on, and that'll let him know that the unit is recording. To stop recording, you can go ahead and press this button twice, and now it's stopped recording. On standby mode, you're going to have a very long battery life. Actually, probably maybe up to 20 hours of battery life, since it's not recording all the time, it's just on standby. Okay, on the pre-recorded mode, you're going to have about 10 hours or more of standby pre-recording battery life. And let me show you some cool features about this one. So it also has indicators here that you can check your battery status. You want to know, hey, how much battery life I have left? And it's simple. This function button here, you press one time really quickly, and these LEDs will light up. Now each bar represents 25%. So as you can see, this is a fully charged 100%. Let me put that again. Once you get to 25%, these three bars will be off and only one bar will be left. And this will let you know how much battery life you have. Another thing that we have is something called Covert Mode, which means that let's say you want to make it on silent mode, so you don't want the public knowing you're recording, you don't want any sounds and no activation. So what you do is you just go ahead and hold this function button for about 2 seconds, let go, and now it is on covert mode. It's recording, it's pre-recording, but all the indicator lights are off. To begin recording, just press this button here. Once you feel it vibrating and it's recording, to stop recording, press it again, and it will vibrate and stop recording. And to disable covert recording, just hold this down for about 2 seconds, and now you're back to where you started. Now this button here allows you to take photos by pressing the button, and it will snap a photo. And it'll snap a photo at the same time it's recording video without disrupting the flow of the video. You also have night vision that can be activated automatically by this photo sensor here. Now if your department policy doesn't need night vision, no problem. You can disable night vision so it doesn't come on at all. But if you like, you can enable night vision so that it will activate automatically when you enter a dark room. The lens is a 140-degree wide-angle lens, so you're going to be able to capture everything. And the reason why we have a big button here is for officers that wear gloves. Now you can just go ahead and feel this button and press it and activate it. The greatest improvement that we did on the upgrade from our old camera system is the removal or the elimination of the USB port, which was a body camera's Achilles heels and its weakest point. We now have metal contacts here, which is great, so you're never going to have the USB issues again. Now, looking at the top here, this is where inside you're going to have GPS. Yes, this camera has GPS because we modeled it after our WOLFCOM Third Eye. It's got a built-in GPS, and when activated, it will connect with satellites in space and stamp the GPS coordinates onto every video and photo file, frame by frame and picture by picture, so that when you're reviewing the video with our evidence management software, as you see the video moves, you're going to go ahead and see the dot on the map move as well. So that's pretty useful in case of a pursuit. You get to see the route that the officer took during that pursuit. It's got a 360-degree wide-angle metal clip, and you're going to love this clip. It's pretty strong. It's got very strong teeth. It's made out of plastic and also metal. And what's great about it is that it comes off, and if you need a new clip or if you damage yours, which I doubt, you can go ahead and just get a new one. There's so many things to say about this camera. I'm really excited about it. The standby mode will actually work the same way. It's the same camera, it's just how you configure it to your preference, which is really great. It's waterproof IP67, so you don't have to worry about damage from rain. It's a 6-foot drop test, so it's waterproof, dustproof. It's got built-in 32 gigabytes of memory, and oh, I forgot to mention Wi-Fi as well. Now, let me show you, at the end of the day, when your officers are ready to go home, they can return to the station and they dock their cameras. This is what they do. They just go ahead and go to the X2 Halo Smart Docking Station. They'll go ahead and just dock the cameras like this. And then our WEMS, our evidence management software, will then detect the cameras and automatically upload each camera to our evidence management software. So right now it's detecting the first camera, it's doing the upload. Afterwards, it's going to detect the second camera and upload that. Once the upload is done and all the video has been uploaded to our evidence management software, then the videos or the data on the body cameras will be deleted, and the cameras will begin charging for the next day's use. WEMS can be accessed from any computer browser on the network just by typing your credentials and you're logged in. WEMS is CJIS compliant and is designed to manage, organize, protect, and encrypt all of your digital evidence from your video camera, in-car camera, body cameras, 911 calls, audio recorders, and you could also upload police reports as well. WEMS is a robust evidence management solution that can play back, crop, and also redact. We also have smart redaction as well for our WEMS. Our WOLFCOM storage solution is completely expandable to accommodate departments of any size, from departments as small as a 3-man department all the way to several thousands. Our storage solutions can be connected to the network or used as a standalone system and comes pre-installed with our WOLFCOM evidence management software. For more information, please contact us at WOLFCOM, because after all, cops deserve the best.